What's up, Romeo the Retro Guy, back with another review. And on today's episode, we're doing a triple shootout on these bad boys. I've been waiting a long time to do a review on these and do a shootout. So make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it, man. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I have all three models lined up on front of you, and these are like the three. Well, in my opinion, these are the three best colorways to come out of the speed turf of all time. You know what I'm saying? These are the three musketeers, whatever you want to call it, man. I feel like these are the three absolute best colorways of all time. There are slight differences between each, and there's similarities. So I mean, let's just go through a couple of them. Some of them you've seen already, and some of them you haven't. So anyways, let's get right into it, man. The all black pair. Let's start with the all black pair now. These all basically released at the same time, but they all have different features. As I said, I've basically reviewed in other videos the actual materials they're made of, but as you can see here, you got the gray on black swoosh at the back. You can see this color blocking as well. This is basically a glitter nubuck, some glitter to the nubuck there. This is basically that glitter that I was talking about. It's just on the nubuck, gives it kind of a sparkly kind of appearance, and that leads all the way into the toe box. Your faux leather overlays, you got your ballistic mesh. I mean, like, these are fire, dog. You can't hate on these at all. Let's see here what kind of differences we have, and this silhouette is equally as fire. I really like this color. This might be one of the illest black and red color blockings I've ever seen on a shoe. It was like I had to have it. There was no ifs, ands, or buts. So as you see here, we have the same type of deal, color blocking, except where the white patches where you have black. You got your ballistic mesh here. You have that kind of same, I like to call it that basketball print that they put for that, whatever that leather is there, whatever that, if it's leather at all, it could just be a synthetic, which most likely it's a synthetic. But the difference, what we have here on this shoe, is this part of the toe box here that was basically that sparkled nubuck is actually a leather, and I feel like that's a nice tumbled texture to it, and I like that a lot. The rest of the shoes pretty similar though. I mean, you have your Nike Air branding there on the front, and you know, it's just a solid, like, I mean, you can't, like, look at that, man. You telling me that's not fire? They got an all black symbol up front here, man. There's no color block change on that. The other one, as you can see so far, has the black and white on it, so that's one difference so far. But let's look at these two side by side. You got the red Arian on the inside. The back has a red Nike swoosh, but it doesn't have the outline swoosh like on the black and white version. So that's another difference right there in the two shoes. And let's move on, man, because I think that's enough for those two. And here we have the chlorophyll colorway. So the other one was black and white, the red one was university red, and now we have the chlorophyll. Oh damn, these are clean. I mean, look at that silhouette, man. This is the difference now here in the where we had the tumbled leather or tumbled textured leather for those of you guys in the comments, and here we have basically just a kind of a matted nubuck. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's just a matted nubuck. It doesn't have any real texture to it. It's actually slightly soft. On the front we have that gray patchwork, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see here on the three models, this one's a little bit different though. It does have a gray branding. And yeah, man, you look on the inside, that shit is fire. It looks so clean. These are DS. I haven't worn these yet. The other difference here is this is leather. So on the other shoes, it's not leather. It's basically nubuck. The nubuck on here, this is printed on these Air symbols, so it's not something that's super concrete. They're just printed on there. So the color blocking on the midsole is a little bit different from these two as well, as you can see. They both have the green on the Air Max unit. It's just a different flex, man. It's just a different flex. So one's more volty and one's more chlorophyll-y, but those are the differences in the two. Once again, you have the outline on the black and white model, and on the chlorophyll model there's no outline. These are so fire. But yeah, this is a leather. So this one is the one, like, I ain't getting rid of this one. This one's leather. This is too fire, this one. And here you got that chlorophyll patch, and that almost looks like a waffle, kind of a waffle design, man. I don't know what that is. Like, it must be like to mimic the bottom of these shoes or something, because that's what it looks like. It looks like that print is what that looks like to me. So yeah, man, that's the three differences between the Three Musketeers, the Speed Turfs. Let me know what you guys think. Which one's the best colorway? Which one would you guys keep if you had to keep one of these shoes? Let me know in the comments section. These are super dope. It's hard to let go of any of these, but one of these has to go. It's probably going to be this pair, so say goodbye. These are actually a size 10 now with these shoes. As I mentioned before, go up half a size, simply because, I mean, you don't want your feet to get bust, because these got a fat old booty on them. You know what I'm saying? You got a fat ass on these joints, so they do take up some foot room, and it will push your foot forward, so you will expect a little bit of they're pinky mashers, man. These things are gonna crush up your pinky if you ain't careful. So make sure you guys go up half a size if you do get these shoes. Other than that, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. It's basically the Three Musketeers. Let me know which ones you guys think are the illest. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, man, do your research on these. Let me know if you guys think these are hard to find. Let me know if you guys had these before. Do you guys like the Speed Turfs? Let me know, man. Romeo the Retro God signing out with another one. Peace. Which one do you guys think is the best colorway? Because it's super hard for me to actually like choose at all, man. I can't choose a colorway. I love all of them, man. These are my grails. Let me know in the comments section which colorway you think is the best. You just can't get much better than this.